PHP and Golang use real code examples. We'll show these two languages work in practice and that makes them unique. PHP is a server-side scripting language that powers millions of websites. It's great for creating dynamic pages, handling databases, and building APIs. It's one of the most popular choices for web developers around the world. Go or Golang was created by Google to make programming simple and fast. It's used for backend systems, cloud services, and high-performance applications. Go is known for its speed, simplicity, and great concurrency support. Hello world. In PHP, we print text to the screen using the hi command. To the runs inside a web server. To the output usually appears in the browser. It's quick and easy for simple web page or testing. In Go, we use a main function to start the program. The output goes to the terminal using fmt println to print text. This shows how Go works more like a system language than a web script. Variables. In PHP, variables always start with $sign. They don't have fixed types, so you can store anything, numbers, strings, or arrays. That makes it flexible, but also less strict about data. In Go, we create variables using the short declaration operator and the type is no right way. Go is a statically typed language which means you can't change types later. This helps find errors before running the program. Functions. In PHP, you can make a function with or without types. The code is short and simple. You just write the name and the logic inside. The functions are used everywhere in PHP to organize code and reuse logic. In Golang functions, you must have clear type definitions for each argument and the return value. To make it look larger, but it makes the program more reliable and easier to debug. This structure helps Go handle larger projects more safely. Arrays and slices. In PHP, an array can store many kinds of data, numbers, text, or ever mixed values. You can easily access items by either index, and the language doesn't limit the type. It's flexible but not the fastest option when working with big data. In Go, we use slices which are like dynamic arrays. They only store one data type, which makes them faster and more memory efficient. This gives you better control when working with performance critical code. Loops. In PHP, the for loop is often used to repeat actions several times. It's a simple and the structure is familiar to anyone who knows C or JavaScript. For can also use a while or for each loop when warning which arrays. In Go, the for loop is the only loop in the while language. You can use it can a normal loop or like a while loop. It's very flexible. Its simplicity keeps Go's syntax clean and easy to read. Strings. In PHP, strings are easy to use and can be changed directly. You can join them, split them, or find your length using strings functions. It's perfect for building HTML content or handling user input. In Go, strings are immutable, which means they can't be changed once created. If you need a new string, Go creates a new one in memory. This makes string holding safer and helps the program run faster. Error handling. In PHP, you can handle errors by checking conditions or using exceptions. For example, you can return a message when something goes wrong. It's easy to understand but can make debugging messy in big projects. In Go, when handle errors by returning both a value and an error object, you always check if the error exists before using the result. This makes programs more predictable and safe to run in production. Concurrency. In PHP, real concurrency isn't built into the language. You can use multi-threading or external tools like Slow, but it's not simple. That's why PHP is better for web requests, not for wavy background work. In Go, concurrency is one of these biggest strengths. You can run functions at the same time using growth times. They are lightweight, fast, and perfect for parallel processing. Compilation. PHP is interpreted language of the server, reads and runs the code line by line. It's great for fast development and testing small changes, but it's not fast when you need high performances. Go is a completed language, meaning it's turned into a library file before running. That makes it much faster, especially for service and network tools. It's built for speed, stability, and deployment without extra setup. Ecosystem PHP uses Composer, a tool that install and manage libraries, is powerful and used in the frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, and WordPress. And this makes PHP perfect for web development and CMS systems. Go uses its own modular systems called Go mode. It's smaller, simpler, and built right into the language itself. Developers love it for its minimalism and easy dependency management. So those were 10 real code differences between PHP and Golang. PHP is great for web development, while Go is better for performances and concurrency. Both are powerful tools. It's just depends on what kind of a project you want to build.